Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs today. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 15 MCQ of 7th of June 2021. But before we begin, quiz. Where is the headquarters of Land Ports Authority of India? World's tallest Chenab Rail Arch Bridge in Jammu Kashmir is being built by whom? Who is the Director General of Press Information Bureau? Which country topped in International Intellectual Property Index 2021? Rasen Dam and Chilamal Dam are located in which state? Which state has started EBC Nestam scheme? Mohammad Bazoum has become the new president of which country? Shramik Kalyan Portal is a portal of which ministry? Who has been appointed as Attorney General of United States? President Kovind presented the Medal of Honor to whom? So these are some of the important questions. Now let's discuss the answers. So where is the headquarters? Headquarters is in New Delhi. World's tallest chain of rail arch bridge in Jammu Kashmir is being built by Konkan Railway. Konkan Railway. Director General of Press Information Bureau is Jaideep Bhatnagar. Which country has topped? USA. What about India's rank? India's rank is 40. Rasen Dam, Chilamal Dam are located in Uttar Pradesh. EBC Nesam scheme was started by Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. Mohammad Bazoum has become the new president of Niger. Niger's capital Niamey. Shramik Kalyan Portal is of Railway Minister. Attorney General of USA is Merrick Garland. Merrick Garland. So, President Ramnath Kovind presented Medal of Honor to Kiran Bedi. The former Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry. So, let's start our today's current affairs. Which country has announced its first satellite of a new generation meteorological satellite into planned orbit? The satellite is being named Fengon 4B, will be used for fields of weather analysis, environment and disaster management. So this country is China. So China has launched its first satellite of generation meteorological satellite, and they have launched through Long March 3B rocket. So they have used this rocket to launch the satellite. What is the capital of China? Beijing. In Beijing we have the headquarters of AIIB. David Diop has won the International Booker Prize 2021 for At Night All Blood is Black. So what is my question is, he is from which country? So he is from France. So David Diop has won the Booker Prize at his book At Night All Blood is Black. What is the capital of France? Paris. Who is the Prime Minister? Jean Castex. Recently, India, France and Australia, they did a trilateral mini dialogue which was held in London recently. India, France, Australia trilateral military dialogue which was held in London. One more, that is India, France and UAE. They did one exercise called Varuna. Varuna exercise is between India, France and UAE. If you talk about France, who is India's ambassador to France? Javed Ashraf. Javed Ashraf. Mount Merapi, seen in news recently. It is located in which country? So this Mount Merapi is located in Indonesia. Why it was in news? Because it has erupted again. Erupted in Indonesia. What is the capital of Indonesia? Jakarta. Who is the president of Indonesia? Joko Widodo. Joko Widodo. India's ambassador to Indonesia is Ambassador Manoj Kumar Bharati. Manoj Kumar Bharati. He is our India's ambassador to France. Indonesia. France. Javed Ashraf. Javed Ashraf. If you talk about Egypt, Egypt's capital is Cairo, and ambassador is Ajit Vinay Gupte. Ajit Vinayak Gupte. China, Vikram Mishri. By which year India has a target to achieve 20% of ethanol blending in petrol? So India has set a target of 2022 that India will achieve 20% of ethanol blending in petrol. Who is the Minister of Petrol? Dharmendra Pradhan. Hemis National Park is located in which state or union territory? It is located in Ladakh. R.K. Mathur is the Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh. Which state has set a target to plant 30 crore sapling trees on the occasion of World Environment Day? So World Environment Day we have observed on 5th of June. So now on this day, Uttar Pradesh government has set a target to plant 30 crore sapling trees on the occasion of Environment Day. Who is the Chief Minister? Yogi Adityanath. If you talk about Uttar Pradesh, recently they have launched Path Pradarshak scheme. Path Pradarshak scheme. What is the scheme? This is related to free coaching for poor people. Recently they have inaugurated new airport which is 8th airport of Uttar Pradesh, that is Bareilly airport. Before this, Kushinagar airport. What is the capital of Lucknow? Capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. In Lucknow, we have the headquarters of SIDBI. And who is the chairman of SIDBI? He has appointed recently. His name is S. Ramanan. He has appointed S. Ramanan. He is the chairman of SIDBI, and SIDBI's headquarters is in Lucknow. You should remember Rasen Dam, Chalamal Dam. We have discussed already in the quiz. Dudhwa Tiger Reserve, and we have Pilibhit Tiger Reserve. Pilibhit Tiger Reserve. Then we have Arjun Sahayak Irrigation Project. Arjun Sahayak Irrigation Project. Arjun Sahayak Irrigation Project. Then they have launched Global Encyclopedia. Global Encyclopedia on Ramayana. Remember this also, on Ramayana. Then they have launched Shakti Portal. Shakti Portal. Shakti Portal. Then recently they have inaugurated Shahid Ashfaqullah Khan Zoological Park in Gorakhpur. Shahid Ashfaqullah Khan Zoological Park in Gorakhpur. Then unique gift is also there. Unique gift scheme. Unique gift scheme. And one more. Recently they have launched affordable rental housing loans. Affordable rental housing loans. Then they observe Banana Festival. Banana Festival. So I think these points are enough for Uttar Pradesh. Bal Swaraj, an online tracking portal launched for children by which organization? So this organization is NCPCR. NCPCR, National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. This organization has its headquarters in New Delhi. Who has been appointed as Vice Chairman of Indian Air Force? So the Chief of Indian Air Force is RKS Bhadauria. RKS Bhadauria. Now Vice Chief is Vivek Ram Chaudhary. Vivek Ram Chaudhary has been appointed as Vice Chief of Indian Air Force. Which among the following Indian institute hosted Asia's first international memory studies workshop? So this is IIT Madras. IIT Madras has hosted Asia's first international memory studies workshop. Education Minister Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank released the performance grading index. Which state or union territory has topped in this index? Punjab has topped first, Chandigarh second, Tamil Nadu third, Andaman and Nicobar fourth, and fifth is Kerala. What is this scheme? It is in the field of school education. And this report or this index has been released by our Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Which IIT has developed nanofiber based oral tablets of amphotericin B called AMB? So this is IIT Hyderabad. So IIT Hyderabad has developed the nanofiber based oral tablets of amphotericin B called AMB. Kalipatnam Ramarao passed away recently. He was related to, so he was a writer. First of all, he was a writer and he is from Andhra Pradesh. He is from Andhra Pradesh and recently he passed away. So these are the current affairs of 7th of June. See you on 8th of June exactly at 8 a.m.